Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best 4an Braided line is probably one of the most versatile and durable fishing lines available on the market today, offering anglers a significant advantage with its incredible strength, sensitivity, and abrasion resistance, making it an indispensable tool for a wide range of fishing applications from freshwater bass fishing to demanding saltwater environments where line failure is simply not an option. Number 5. Evil Energy 4an Fuel Line Hose Fitting Kit. Experience superior durability with our Fuel Line Hose Kit. It's crafted from high-quality CPE synthetic rubber and reinforced with a strong nylon braided exterior for longevity. The inner hose is made of reliable CPE rubber, protected by a layer of 304 steel wire and a nylon outer braid. Its fittings are constructed from robust aluminum alloy. This kit is built to perform under pressure, with a maximum working pressure of 750 psi and a bursting pressure of 2250 psi. It operates reliably in temperatures from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 248 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll receive everything you need: 10 and swivel hose ends, including straight, 45, 90, and 180 degree options, and 16 feet of black braided fuel line. This versatile hose is compatible with a wide range of fluids, including transmission fluid, oil, race gas, vacuum, hydraulic fluid, diesel, and fuel. What we like. This option offers a durable nylon braided exterior for protection and comes with a variety of swivel hose ends, making it versatile for different setups. If you need a comprehensive kit with plenty of connection options for various fluids like fuel, oil, and transmission fluid, this is a great choice. What people say. The 4an Braided line is incredibly strong and durable, holding up well even under heavy loads. Its smooth finish allows for long and accurate casts, making it a pleasure to use. The line's low stretch ensures excellent sensitivity, allowing you to feel even the slightest bites. Number 4. 4an 10-foot Universal Braided Fuel Line Hose. Introducing our 10-foot Universal Braided Fuel Line Hose, designed for a wide range of applications. Its robust construction ensures reliability for your vehicle's fuel system. This hose is compatible with various fuel types, including racing fuel, pump gas, E85, diesel, and even motor oil. It's built to handle diverse fuel needs with ease. Crafted with an inner CPE synthetic rubber hose, reinforced by a 304 stainless steel wire mesh, and finished with a high-quality braided nylon outer layer. This ensures maximum durability and flexibility. Featuring an inner diameter of 0.22 inches and an outer diameter of 0.44 inches, it's perfectly sized for 1/4 tube applications. It offers a working pressure of 500 psi and a burst pressure of 2000 psi. Operate with confidence in extreme conditions. This hose is designed to withstand temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to +350 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring performance in any environment. What we like. Featuring a stainless steel wire mesh layer, this hose provides excellent reinforcement and can handle a wider temperature range. If you're working on a project that experiences significant temperature fluctuations or requires a bit more robustness, this is the one to consider. What people say. The braided line is incredibly strong and durable, making it perfect for tough fishing conditions. Its smooth casting and excellent knot strength ensure a reliable performance on the water. The line's low stretch provides superior sensitivity, allowing you to feel even the slightest bite. Number 3. 4an PTFE Fuel Line Kit. Introducing our 4an PTFE Fuel Line Kit, designed for optimal performance and durability. This kit is built to handle a wide range of fluids and extreme temperatures. Crafted with a robust PTFE liner, stainless steel wire, and a protective nylon braid outer layer, it ensures longevity. The aluminum alloy fittings provide a secure connection. It is compatible with various mediums including E85 gasoline, diesel, biodiesel, engine oil, and more. This makes it incredibly versatile for your automotive needs. With a maximum working pressure of 1500 psi and a temperature range from -76 degrees Fahrenheit to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, it's engineered to perform under demanding conditions. This 10-foot hose is perfect for fuel injection, boost lines, LS swap engines, and various other fuel system applications. It offers flexibility in setup for most automotive projects. For best results and to ensure proper installation, professional fitting is advised. Using our specific fittings guarantees optimal performance and safety. What we like. This kit boasts a PTFE inner liner, offering superior chemical resistance and an exceptional temperature range, from very cold to very hot. If you are dealing with aggressive fuels like E85 or need a line that can withstand extreme temperatures and high pressures, this PTFE option is ideal. What people say. The line is incredibly strong and has held up well under heavy use. I was impressed with how smooth the casting was with this braided line. The abrasion resistance is excellent, it has survived several rough encounters with rocks and structure. Number 2. 4an 16-foot CPE braided fuel line kit. Introducing our 16-foot fuel line kit, designed for reliability and performance. It's built to handle demanding applications with ease. With a maximum working pressure of 750 psi and a bursting pressure of 2250 psi, this hose is engineered for safety. It operates effectively in temperatures from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 248 degrees Fahrenheit. Crafted with a CPE rubber inner layer, reinforced by 304 stainless steel wire and a protective nylon braid outer. The fittings are made from durable aluminum alloy. This flexible hose is suitable for a wide range of fluids, including fuel, diesel, oil, race gas, and hydraulic fluids. It ensures compatibility with your specific needs. Perfect for various hose line systems, it's ideal for transmission oil cooler lines, fuel supply, vacuum lines, and turbo cooler lines. Its versatility makes it a go-to choice. The package includes a 16-foot braided fuel line along with a comprehensive set of 4an swivel hose ends. You'll receive straight, 45-degree, 90-degree, and 180-degree fittings for any setup. What we like. With a CPE rubber inner and a 16-foot length, this hose provides a good balance of flexibility and capacity for longer runs. If you have a larger vehicle or a system that requires a longer fuel line, this option offers ample length and reliable performance for various fluids. What people say. The braided line is incredibly strong and durable, making it perfect for tough fishing conditions. Its smooth casting and minimal memory allow for long, accurate casts with ease. The line's high visibility color makes it easy to track your lure and detect subtle bites. Number 1. VehiMata 4an 90-degree swivel hose end fitting. Introducing our 4an 90-degree swivel hose end fitting. This essential component is designed for easy assembly and repeated use, making your project a breeze. Crafted from durable 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, it features a sleek anodized black finish for both style and longevity. The 360-degree swivel design allows for effortless connection and alignment, simplifying the installation process. It's built to perform, with a maximum working pressure of 1,500 psi and a wide working temperature range from -65 to 252 degrees Fahrenheit. This fitting is specifically designed to work with CPE, stainless braided, and nylon braided hoses. For the smoothest installation, we recommend using the VehiMata and hose fitting wrench. What we like. This is a specialized fitting designed for ease of installation with its 360-degree swivel capability, making assembly much simpler. If you're looking for a high-quality, reusable fitting that simplifies the connection process, especially with braided hoses, this aluminum alloy piece is a solid choice. What people say. The braided line is incredibly strong and durable, holding up well even under heavy loads. Its smooth casting performance allows for long and accurate casts, making it ideal for various fishing techniques. The line's low stretch ensures excellent sensitivity, allowing anglers to feel subtle bites and improve hook sets. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.